And the champion automotive services winner is Ashbury Service Centre. Well done, Ashbury.
The boys from Canterbury have won this one. An impressive family-owned workshop for all makes and models. Innovative offerings which extend beyond the norm with special services which have been, hey guys, drink later, mate. Come on, make your way up, let's go. Bring your drinks with you, it's all good. Just start walking. This is a great family business. They meet special services which have been successfully implemented to meet the demands of their customers. They are our champion automotive services, Ashbury Service Centre in Canterbury. What, can you sing, Zore? Can you give us a little number or something while they're making their way up? Tap dance, maybe? Well done, guys. Congratulations. And while they're just getting their photo taken, can I just remind everyone to be really quiet during the speeches? It'd be greatly appreciated.
All right, so I really wasn't expecting this tonight. It's really thrown a spanner in the works. Simple as that. All I got to say is support small, support locals, and I guess that's all we've got to say. We have amazing staff. We've only got one tonight. We've also got a customer. We've got my father and my sister. But if it wasn't for our staff, it wasn't for our customers, we wouldn't be here. So, yeah, thank you for everything. Thank you for all the support.
Well done, and I like spanner in the